Imagine holding your smartphone while you casually stroll across the dusty, desolate expanse of the moon, snapping selfies, streaming videos, or even calling someone back on Earth. What once seemed like a sci-fi scenario is edging closer to reality. In an audacious technological stride, Nokia, in partnership with NASA, is setting the stage to deploy the first ever 4G LTE network on the moon. Yes, the moon is about to get its very own mobile network. This notion isn't just about extraterrestrial bragging rights. It's a pivotal move that could reshape how lunar explorers communicate, make groundbreaking scientific research more feasible, and even influence remote telecommunications back on our home planet. Groundbreaking technology. Unleashing 4G on the moon. The initiative to plant a 4G network on the moon is not merely adding a high-tech perk for astronauts. It's about establishing a robust, reliable communication system that could support various mission-critical applications, such as remote control of lunar rovers, real-time navigation over lunar geography, and high-definition streaming of lunar surface data. Nokia plans to deploy an ultra-compact, low-power network that is specially designed to withstand the harsh realities of the lunar environment. A fascinating component of this deployment involves adapting the terrestrial 4G network technology to function in the vacuum of space, a transition from Earth's atmospheric pressures and temperatures to the aggressive void of the moon's surface. It's a testament to human ingenuity and a crucial step for sustained human presence on extraterrestrial bodies. The miniaturization and hardening of this technology mean providing reliable services that can endure the extreme variations in temperature and radiation, proving the network's sustainability on the moon. Technical challenges. Making Earth's technology space-worthy. Implementing terrestrial technology in an extraterrestrial environment comes with a unique set of harsh challenges. High levels of radiation, micrometeorites, extreme temperatures, and the vacuum of space all pose significant threats to electronic equipment. Nokia, in collaboration with NASA, is tailoring robust technology solutions that can endure these conditions. The engineers are subject to trials that simulate the lunar surface's extreme conditions, testing everything from durability against lunar dust, which is known for being abrasive and sticky, to functionality during the lunar day and night, which last about 14 Earth days each. The network equipment must not only be resilient, but also energy efficient, as power sources are limited on the moon. This endeavor will also test the latency of communication across approximately 384,400 kilometers between Earth and the moon, ensuring that the time delay does not impede operational efficiencies or safety protocols for lunar astronauts. Revolutionary advances. The future of lunar exploration and Earth communications. Establishing a 4G network on the moon is anticipated to open up new vistas for lunar exploration. Enhanced communication capabilities mean more sophisticated scientific missions with potentially greater yields in terms of data and understanding of our only natural satellite. Moreover, the technologies developed for lunar conditions could lead to advancements in improving remote communication solutions on Earth, particularly in extreme environments or disaster-struck areas where infrastructure has failed. This innovation will not only bolster safety for astronauts through better communication, but also allow for the transmission of high volumes of data, including HD video, facilitating more immersive and immediate sharing of lunar discoveries with audiences back on Earth. Synergy in space. The role of private-public partnerships. The collaboration between Nokia and NASA epitomizes the potential and power of public-private partnerships in advancing space exploration and technology. This partnership pools together expertise, technology, and resources, significantly enhancing the quality and scope of space missions. Such collaborations can accelerate technological advancements and drive down costs, making space more accessible to other players, and potentially spurring a new era of space exploration. Conclusion: the bigger picture in space communication. Nokia's 4G Lunar network project with NASA is more than just about implementing a piece of advanced technology in space. It's about pioneering a sustainable and scalable communications framework for future space missions, whether on the Moon, Mars, or beyond. As we stand on the precipice of a new era in space exploration, the potential to transform how we communicate across space and on Earth marks a significant leap for mankind, making the cosmos a little more familiar, a little more like home.
The first rule of channel is subscribe channel. Second rule of channel is click like. This channel will make you smart.